Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Generative AI. This powerful technology, driven by Adobe Firefly, transforms your creative process by generating content from simple text descriptions. It's seamlessly integrated into many creative cloud applications, including Photoshop and Illustrator, making it accessible for various design tasks. Importantly, all generated content is trained on licensed Adobe stock and public domain images, ensuring it is safe for commercial use. Let's dive into how you can leverage these incredible tools. One of the most popular features is Generative Fill in Photoshop. This tool allows you to effortlessly add new objects, remove unwanted elements, or even replace parts of your image just by typing a description. You can also expand your photo's canvas, and the AI will intelligently fill in the new areas, matching the existing scene. It's truly remarkable how it blends new content, maintaining consistent lighting, shadows, and perspective for a realistic result. For graphic designers, text-to-vector graphic in Illustrator is a game changer. You can simply type a prompt, and the AI will generate fully editable vector graphics. Whether you need a single subject, a complex scene, a simple icon, or a seamless pattern, this tool delivers. The generated artwork is infinitely scalable without losing quality and is created on its own layer, giving you complete control to fine-tune every detail of your design. To get the best results from Adobe Generative AI, remember a few key tips. Always use clear and specific text prompts. The more descriptive you are, the better the outcome. The AI often provides 3 or more variations, so take time to explore these options. Additionally, you can use style references, like an existing image, to ensure your new generations match a particular aesthetic. Practice and experimentation will help you master these powerful creative tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.